Hey guys, it's Freesia from Tarte Cosmetics, and today I have a very special guest with me. Ta-da! This is the Double Duty Beauty Sculpting and Shading, or my Cardio Vault. It has all the new Shape Tape Nation gear in here. So here we have the Shape Tape eyeshadow primer, which I'm super excited to test out today, with the Shape Your Moneymaker eyeshadow palette. And over here we have the Little Detailers paddle brush set, and they're like, they look like toothbrushes but for your face. But I'm like really excited to try these because I feel like they're really unique and they would get into like really small areas where I usually would have trouble reaching. So yay! If you want to see me try all these goodies out for the first time, just keep watching. I am absolutely loving all of these shades, and I'm so excited to try them because they're shades that I use all the time. It's very warm, neutrals, like I totally see myself using every single one of these, and I feel like this will be my next everyday palette. The first thing I'm going to do is take the dark purple Little Detailer brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Slim. I'm going to contour my nose with it. I'm using the Shape Tape primer now. I'm just gonna basically color in my eyelids. I'm gonna take the shade Cardio and just blend that into my crease. I'm going to deepen my outer corners with the shade Reps, and I'm going to be using a smaller, more dense blending brush for this. I can tell you right now that so far these shadows are super buttery and blendable. A little really goes a long way with these. I can already see that. So I already went ahead and applied my eyeshadow the way I normally would using regular brushes, and I left my inner corner and lower lash line blank because I wanted to use this Little Detailer brush and this one right here, the pink and the light purple ones, to highlight those areas. So I'm taking the shade Cut on this light purple paddle brush, and I'm going to use this in my inner corners. Just dabbing it. Ooh. This is so handy. I'm also going to take the shade Flex from the same palette with the same brush, tap off the excess, and I'm gonna highlight the bridge of my nose. This is the perfect size. Oh my god. I'm also gonna highlight my Cupid's bow while I'm at it. Oh, that looks so pretty. Now I'm taking the shade Cardio with the pink paddle brush. Dab that in, tap off the excess, and I'm gonna line my lower lash line with it. I'm actually really loving this eye look, and I'm about to head into the office with this, and everybody's gonna compliment me. I don't want to wear any eyeliner, so I'm just gonna pop on our Maneater cruelty-free lashes and I'll be right back. This is the finished look, and seriously, those lashes are crazy because I look like I'm wearing eyeliner, but I'm really not. They're the Maneater falsies alone. Like, there's nothing else on my eyes. Like, look at this. Okay, it's not in focus, but whatever. That's all I have for today, but thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!